What? What'd he say? What did nigga say?
Come on.
Oh, that's what that nigga said. He said, come on.
Come on.
Well, come on then, nigga. Come on. Cause I come through like I'm supposed to. Knock these niggas right out they fucking shoes. And leave them where they standing. Shit, hero never used a cannon. And if he did, your boy wouldn't be standing. And that's why I pray for the Lord to keep me manning. Doing how I'm standing, do it how I'm standing. No need for the cannon. If I have to, then I'll blast you though. Then I'm gonna lose my soul. Take it for no. Take it for no. Take it for no another nigga. Listen, I just beat you up and leave you left, nigga, in the dust without a rusty pipe, nigga, to smoke on. Leave him, I'm never no joke, Holmes. I don't care if the weather's ablaze. Listen, nigga, I leave you knocked out in the shade. You feel me? A real nigga with it. Talk too much shit, nigga. I'm from the hill with it, but I don't like catching the deal with it. But you like to catching the deal with it, so I'm not with it. You feel me? Go get it. Matter of fact, tell you bitch to hold with it. I'm official, man. The game is so with it. And you know what I'm popping? Go pip it. Pip it, skip it, skid it. You know what I'm saying, man? Try to get it. Matter of fact, use your downloader and pop a stock with it. You know what I'm saying, man? I know you think I'm hot shitted on your whole team with my gold beam. Nigga, now you're looking like who know me. No need to bust it. If you already scared and disgusted, what need to puss it? Shit, nigga, get away clean with the scheme. I'm mastermind game with the dream. You hating with your name on the scheme, but I ain't even tripping my brain on this scheme. You feel me? That's why I'm Dr. Give me your brain, cause nigga, I already know what you gonna try to play, man. Or try to pull. Listen, I'm the bull. Taurus, no fool. Nigga, what it is. I bring it like I'm supposed to. Most of you niggas get hit in the head with the toaster, dude. Nigga, or the chest of the body. Still living, shoulda got all the way out like Robbie Sadi. You know what I'm saying? But shit, the gangsters in the game still playing like they playing. I know the game is official, but the ref over here said, Doctor, give him your brain, just blow the whistle. I said, nah, I'm not gonna blow the whistle. I ain't gonna call a foul. This nigga's lost and wild. Tell them why I'm bringing this game clean, or then clean. Then they can see what they beam. Shit, might as well wipe the fog off me. I'm so sick, I'm like a black dot on your fog hog. Matter of fact, can you get by me? Something like official, man, come and then try me. Shit, most of you niggas try to buy me. I'm so official in the game, I can't be bought. That's your devilish wishes? Nah, nigga, I'm not your devilish dishes. Listen, you couldn't watch me, I could watch you while you watch these niggas that try to play the game too, with you too. But you already trying to play the game on me, fool. Won't you switch up? Put your bitch up. You know my game is too tight to get the itch up. You know I'm sicker than cat etch up. Put it on your fries, nigga, then ketchup. I'm hotter than the last. Bring 'em from the past. Tell 'em, yeah, back Damon Dash. Shit, and then did a dash. You know what I'm saying, boy? We hotter than a flash. Shit, I seen them light the matchup. Tell 'em I'm sicker than the knife to statch up. You feel me? Yeah, the rice that ratch up. You know what I'm saying? My game is like Flies to Fletcher. You could say Flies, I could say Fletcher. You could say pepper, I could say salt. What it is together, mix it and all. I'ma tell you like I'm breaking your jaws. You know what I'm saying? Breaking the balls. Shit, see, you can never say that I'm taking the call. I can always bring it back like making a dog. Jump out the game like breaking a log. Across your chin piece, but you couldn't do it cause your game is the NC. But I bring it just like a man, see, and had your ass check the game, see. And now you gotta check your brain, G, cause I'm hot like the HOOVE. You know, R to the star. Gangsters, nigga, we ain't playing who you are. Or who you is. You can get sat where you sitting at without your kids. You know what I'm saying, boy? Real life, this is what it is. I don't play no games. I stand up for my own and I'm playing the game. And shit, I didn't have to play this. I was born in this shit, so I gotta play it crisp. You feel me? Yeah, get it right. I ain't playing nigga crisp. So sick, no need for a lisp. You know what I'm saying? But I can check it New York style, hero style, they roll style, anyone style. I don't need that style cause I got my own, I'm wild, I'm hot like a newborn baby. Yes, that pretty ass nigga can't be saved, see? Halitosis out your mouth? Nah, nigga, out mine when I burn up the South. Listen, shit, or burn up the West. It don't matter where I'm at, I burn up the East. And every time I come through, I burn up the North. You know what it is, boy, I told you, since birth. Shit, I come first. If you don't believe me, nigga, step it with your best or your worst. And see if I dust they skirts. I'm so hot like a Chinese man with no work. You feel me? Shit, boy, bring him the dirt. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I'm hotter than flirts. You get the mind, get the main, get your game up. I'll tell you quicker than Dr. Give Me Your Brain, Yeah, said Dr. Give Me Your Brain, huh? Yeah, I do it like Dr. Give Me Your Brain, huh? And so the doctor gave me your brain, and after that I did it like Dr. Insane. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, grew in my game, and you know I don't lose, man, I'm doing my thing. Whether I'm on the block, whether I'm on the streets, whether I'm on the car, whether I'm on my beats. I'm doing it sick like the ref with no tweet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no eat. Ref on the sit back. Ref want to dip back. Ref want to get back. In the game. But he can't. About to have a heart attack and I'm spitting insane where he ain't at. I got the whistle. Told the nigga to sit down while they play. Nigga, I'm the missile. When I shoot up in the sky and explode, celebrating nigga on the nigga who know. On the nigga who won, nigga, that's what's real. And I'ma celebrate on myself and show you the deal. Hero gonna explode like an ice cream maker. Nigga, shit, not everybody iced in the maker. You know what I'm saying? Ice cream in the making. Yeah, I ice creamed in the making what I make. So you know that I skate on the skates. Believe me, say my blade is so sharp. I talk with it every day and move like a shark. I'm a harp, nigga, playing with your fiddle. You can be mad, but I'm Dr. Give Me Your Brain in the middle. So call me the middleman. Don't you hate me? Yeah, the middleman, nigga. Yeah, I know you do. So get it real or get it right. If you don't stand up on your own and you're going to be the middleman, no you won't. You're going to be the other man trying to get the middleman getting juice like the fiddle fans. You know what I'm playing? So juicy, call me Deuce, one get 'em, man. Shit, hero don't play. Niggas know the game, boy, hero don't play. Shit, H is up, my nigga. 2-1 in the cup, my nigga.